first thing, the greatest part of that, we have won the under 14 boys runners up team championship and under 17 girls second runners up trophy, and that is the greatest part. And our under 17 girl Megan Almeida has won 2 bronze medal, high board and 1 meter. And our under 14 boys, the great effort shown by him, very good fight, and he got 1 silver, 1 bronze, and you are the person who did a superb expected performance, and our Megan Almeida, and our Maya Shanbhag did well at game. It's not. She has got a good position of in both the boards of 1 meter and 3 meter, 5th place. In spite of sort of very difficulties of we doesn't have the pool of practice, a length of duration of longer plan, and we have to go to Ponda swimming pool, and the way to go to 1.5 hour to on the way and back 1.5 hour, and the rainy season. And the greatest part is in that the parents are supported a lot, and they are the progressive development of the students, and to get this such a great result in spite of it is like a landslide difficulties our students and parents face it. Still they encourage me, and they are help me in all the way to take to the from Panjim to the Ponda, and there we practice, and sometimes we used to come at night 9:30, and that is the greatest part, and all efforts are given the result.
I participated in 3 events, out of which on 2 events, the 1 meter and the high board, I got 2 bronze medals. And I know I could have done better if I had a lot of time for practice, and our time went in traveling 1.5 hours, about 100 kilometers every day to Ponda, because as you can see, our pool has closed down for renovation. So it would have been much more easier if it was close by over here. But what was expected under all the circumstances, yes, I think I did well. And we would like more support from the government so that we can perform much better in our next upcoming nationals.
My overall experience in Delhi was good, and I feel like I could have done better. Compared to my past, I think there's a little improvement, and it could have been more if there was more practice.
I think I could have done better. I got the 5th place in 3 meter and 1 meter. I didn't do that proper compared to my practices, and I want to do better in the future.
Pool that was stopped in February, March. Since then, the children have not been able to practice the same way they would have otherwise. And our journeys from Panjim to the Ponda pool, which is the next nearing pool for us, has been very strenuous. And we lose time, the children lose time, the coach loses time in traveling. Instead, that same time could have been used in practice. So in correspondence to the competitors in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh and Delhi, those children are at the same time practicing the same amount and more, and whereas our children here are having to actually put up with a long distance traveling, and hence it's not a same comparison, and hence whatever medals we've bought so far is praiseworthy a lot.